recorded in Loveland, Colorado on December 16th, 2024. I'm not sure what kind of aircraft this is. Hopefully I'll get a better look when it's past the tree. I can't tell what it is. It doesn't look like a plane though. It honestly looks like a drone. Yeah, and there's no plane sound. Interesting. This is the first night I've been able to come out in weeks, so. Huh. I don't know where it's going, but definitely didn't make the sound of a plane. So this clip was recorded on my binoculars. These are the Hexium night vision binoculars, but they do not record audio, so I just decided to do a quick voiceover. Any of these clips from this night that I recorded on my binoculars, I'll do a little voiceover, but these drones showed up out of absolutely nowhere. I had no idea where they were appearing from, and I did not expect to even see drones when I went outside. I just went outside real quick. It was super cloudy. I was about to head inside. I turned around and I recorded that drone. I saw 10 drones throughout the hour and 15 minutes I was out sky watching all together while also cooking dinner and eating dinner in during that time. So probably outside 45 minutes. But I hope you enjoy these clips. Oh, 6:46 just walked out. There's another one. They are all flying from north to south. That has now been every 20 minutes since 5:45. So the last hour. So I guess we'll see if at 7:06 if another one comes flying by. Alright, here's a helicopter. Or, yeah, I think that's gotta be a helicopter. Oh, and there's another drone. What the heck are these things? Whoa. That thing just shined. I'm gonna have to watch that back. What is going on? And here's another one. Oh, the Psionics does not let me focus as nice as my other camera. Or the binoculars, I mean. So this is the fifth one that I've seen. Oh, I just saw a flash in the sky over to the right. It was definitely not on camera. Sorry. I'm Yeah, just these drones that are silent. Is there anything you need to show me in this area before I head in to eat dinner real quick? This is thank you. Wow. Just saw this phasing in and out up above my head when I looked up. This is flying from south to north. See if one of these drones will end up showing up. It's 7:02. It is pretty freaking cold out here. Thank you. This is a plane. I can hear it very clearly. And it looks about the same size as the other things that I've seen fly by that have to be drones. Because as you'll see as this comes out from behind the tree, it is quite a ways away. And I can still hear it. Oh, here comes a drone. Same flight path. Alright, here's the last video of the clip. I have more video too. I just didn't want to include any more because this video is already going to be over 10 minutes long. So if you made it to this point, thank you very much for checking out this video. And I've recorded the clips with audio with the Psionics Aurora Black, and I've recorded this clip and any of the ones that have the timestamp, which I do want to note the timestamp is off by an hour. I forgot to set it back. So any clip you see with the timestamp, just adjust an hour out and the time will be correct. But I wanted to use my binoculars again because I like how I can focus better with those, and I wanted to get a good close-up of whatever these things are. They definitely look like drones. They look like they'd be the size of, I don't know, like a small car, I guess, and they are completely silent. I couldn't hear them at all. Was even inside eating dinner, and I was like, I think I can hear a plane flying over. So I asked my family if they could hear it, and they're like, no. And I opened the door, and then they heard it really loud, and they're like, how did you hear that? So I know what planes and helicopters sound like. I was in the Air Force. I worked on the flight line. I understand what jets sound like. These things are silent. So I don't know. I wasn't expecting to go outside and see anything, honestly. I saw all the stuff was happening on the East Coast for the most part, and I am in Colorado, and I didn't think there would be anything out there when I went outside to look. I was getting ready to just call it a night. I went outside real quick just to check out the sky, and it was super cloudy. And then all of a sudden, uh, yeah. Oh, also, I want to point out this is a plane right here, so you can have a really good comparison with the drone. But I was not expecting to see the drone, and it showed up, and it was kind of mind blowing. But this is in this video. I'll see you on the next one.